course Audio Video E-Learning. In this session, we will see few maths functions which are round, round up and round down. We are going to compare these three functions output with the same decimal values. We are testing this example with the 3 decimal values. You can test it with 4 decimal values or 5 decimal values depending upon the data required. Let's see the round function which is going to be used by most of the accountant or the accounting firms. In this example, we are going to round the value which is available in column A. Let's see. The round function is having two parameters. One is the number and second one is the number of digits to be rounded off. So the number is going to be the A3 and I want to round this number up to 2 digits of my decimal value. So here we will see that the decimal value .548 is converted to .55. It is converted to 2 decimal values. As we see that at the third decimal place 8 is there, so 8 is greater than equal to 5, so it has been rounded up to the second place, that is the fourth place. So the output is going to be .550. In second case, .701 is rounded to .7. That means 1 on the third place is less than equal to 5, so it has been rounded to the lowest value of the decimal. In the third case, .256 is converted to .26, as the third place of decimal is greater than equal to 5, so the second place is rounded up to 26. The similar way, the third place of value is 5, it is going to be rounded to .85. The output of each number is going to be converted to the nearest 2 decimal round of values. The same way we can use the round down function. The round down function is going to round off the value to the lowest number of decimal values. We can use it like round down the value up to 2 decimal values. See, the number is rounded down to 2 decimal. Here we are having .548, which is 3 decimal values. Here we are rounding down to 2 decimal values. So 2 decimal values is here .54. The 8 is ignored in rounding down. The same way in second scenario, .701 is rounded to .7 because this is itself less than equal to 5. In third case, .256 is converted to .50. So the third place is ignored in rounding down to values. In the fourth example, .845, it is converted to .84. The third place of decimal values is ignored in rounding down values. The similar way, the roundup function is just opposite to the round down. It is going to give you the rounded up value of the decimal. The roundup value with two decimal values. See, here you are getting .550. In place of .548, it is going to give you .550, and here in round down you are getting .540. So here the value third place of decimal values is ignored, and here it has been considered. So if the value is greater than 0, it is going to round up to the next integer value. The similar way, it is going to give you the next value of rounding. See, .701 is converted or rounded up to .710, as third place is containing value greater than equal to 1. It has been rounded up to the two decimal values, that is .71. In the same place, if you go for the third scenario, the 256 is converted to 260. So the third place is 6, which is converted to 26. And in fourth scenario, the same way, the third place contains 5. It has been rounded up to .85. Now see, all three functions are rounding the values, but in totality of the number, we are getting the different values. Here we are getting .830, here we are getting .840, and here we are getting .850. Though the numbers are same, but my rounding function is going to convert the decimal values to some extent. Depending upon the scenario, we can use the function to round down or to round off the numbers to the down value or to the up value or to the exact value. The fourth case we are going to see is that how to use the round function with the negative number value. We can use it with the round and the number to be rounded off, and in the place of positive value we can give the negative value with -2. So if we see that the value which is 874, the 874 is rounded to 900. Here 536 is rounded to 500. As 36, the 36 is less than equal to 50, so this value is rounded up to 500. And here we are getting 582 converted to 600. As 82 is greater than equal to 50, it has been rounded up to 600. Similarly, the 225 is converted to 200. So this number is converted to 200 because 25 is less than equal to 50. The same way, if we convert this number to 1, it is going to use the conversion of integer values to the two values. You can say that on the tens place it is going to round up. See here, 74 is converted to 70 36 is converted to 40, 82 is converted to 80, and 25 is converted to 30. So the second place, the tens place is rounded off depending upon the scenario. So these three functions, round down, round and round up, are used to convert the decimal values, and the round function is going to use the minus sign in the number digit to round off the integer values, which is left hand side rounding off. If you want to round the left hand side of my decimal values, then I have to use round function with the minus sign. Likewise, in the case if I pass 3, it is going to round up to 3 place of value. So 874 is greater than 500, so the actual value is rounded up to 66,000. 536 is greater than 500, so it has been converted to 19,000, and 4582 is having 5,000 value because 582 is greater than 500, and in scenario 225, which is not going to be converted to 1000 values, the result is coming in 0 value. So in case if a function is used with appropriate parameters, then only it is going to give you the meaningful information, otherwise it is not going to give you the exact value. So in this case we have to pass maximum up to -2 to do the round off. So in this way we can use the function round, round up, round down, and round with the negative values. Thank you. Your feedback is awaited. Please give your feedback on info@binscomputer.com. Thank you.